Hi there artists, so happy to see you here. Welcome to this third part of the video. We're going to be starting with a pencil, coloring it inside with connector pens of greens and yellows. And if you have a brush with water, that's all we need. Let's get started and see how we can bring out the wash technique with these fabulous connector pens. The second part is done with soft pastels. The first part is done with watercolor. So do check out the other two videos as well. Same leaf, different mediums. Let me know which one was your favorite. I have made the similar video like this for mangoes. So do check it out if you like to try a little technique of using your marker pens. Oh, and that's Bella. She's saying hello. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I've drawn it out with a pencil, just a rough shape, and we can start coloring. It's like using a coloring book, coloring inside your own little drawing. So use any medium green. You can hold the pen from a little distance so that you're not pressing it very dark, and try to leave as many white gaps in the middle. The white gaps that we had left in the middle, let's fill it up with a lighter green. So we need a medium green and a light green. If you just have one green and one yellow, that's okay. You can leave extra gaps for the yellow to fit in. Just because I had a couple of extra greens, so I filled it up here. But otherwise, the strokes are close together, yet the white gaps are needed. Then comes in the yellow. Fill it up. Less of the white gaps now. And the last bit is the black. It's a strong color, so we'll be careful that we don't press it super hard. Try a little something here. Just play around, dip that pen in water and see, so that we get a more liquidy form. And soon enough, let's be ready with our brush. Using a fine brush, and we're trying to go in circular direction. We're not using very large strokes, just confining to the space and moving along slowly. The water should just be about right. Sometimes the tissue paper comes in handy for just giving a little wash effect, and it helps to dry up a bit faster. So that area when we went black, we can spread it out a little more in a blending way. So what do you think of this drawing? A quick connector pen with a wash technique and a bit of tissue paper. Let me know which one was your favorite out of the three leaves. I would love to hear from you, and do check out the other two videos.